This is dear students, with another lecture of electronics too. That is the part of digital electronics basically. I'm here. Today we will discuss, as we were discussing in the previous lecture, about the shift registers and their types. So today we will discuss on another type of shift register, that is parallel in, parallel out shift register. What is parallel in and parallel out shift register? If we transmit data combinedly parallelly through an input, and we take that similar data after storing in different shift registers temporarily, and we take that data from output at the same time on applying a single clock pulse, then that shift register is known as parallel in, parallel out shift register. Basically, this register is also abbreviated as PIPO, P-I-P-O. P stands for parallel, I stands for input, and then P stands for parallel, and output, O stands for output. So this is parallel in, parallel out, shift register. What is a shift register? I have discussed with you in previous lecture. A shift register is basically a D-type flip-flop. What is the function of a D-type flip-flop? D-type flip-flop basically stores a data temporarily for the temporary purpose, and this data is basically used to apply on different digital electronic devices or machines to operate that are operating through that data. So, simply we will come to the introduction. The introduction from your book is that such type of shift register on which data is applied from its input altogether, it altogether means when we apply this 11010 combinedly on the input and it is taken from output combinedly, simply means that when we apply this data on its parallel input, we take that data on applying clock pulse from their output combined. That is same. There is no any kind of change. Here, a basic thing is here. It has two or more than two inputs and outputs. It's a simple thing that the number of registers have one register have two inputs. That one is clock pulse, one is its input, and one is the output. So two or more than two means number of input and output terminals are not equal to one, but more than one. Simple. This is the thing. Here is the block diagram I have designed according to my capacity, three flip-flops or three shift registers. One will make a three shift register, three input shift register. Basically, this shift register is made up of D-type flip-flop. One D-type flip-flop, two and three. These are the basically three flip-flop shift registers. And I take the input parallelly. D0 is the input, D1 is the input, D2 is the input, and all these three inputs are taken parallelly. Secondly, I had taken the output parallelly. Similarly, the output Q0 is taken out parallelly. Flip flop of 1, flip Q1, and then Q2. These three outputs are taken same as it is parallelly in, parallelly out. But they are operating through a single clock pulse. The same clock pulse, one, two, three, all together have the same type of clock pulse. The clock pulse symbol is shown up here. When we apply some data 101 over here, the data functions as according to the rules of data flip flop, and it stores for that data temporarily inside it. When we apply the clock pulse actions at the same time on these three flip-flops, and as a result we take those inputs as in the form of output through parallelly through this block diagram or this shift register. Dear students, how This is how parallel outship system works. Thank you so much, and hopefully you have a good understanding will may understand this. And if you found any kind of problems, you may ask me through WhatsApp number or Google Class. Stay safe, stay at your home, and happy winter season. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.